Yo, what's poppin', family? This is Daryl coming at you with another video. Happy Thanksgiving. This is a Thanksgiving edition, and I want to show you guys how I get 80 to 90% of my leads. How I get 80 to 90% of my leads. Now, I know you're saying, what are you doing out on Thanksgiving working, DJ? Well, you got to realize, man, Thanksgiving is one day, right? And it's the morning time right now. I'm not gonna miss a single thing. I'm still gonna be with my family. So I have to worry about, or I have to make sure that I'm not just living my life for one time or one day. I'm not just living my life off a holiday. I'm also being mindful and knowing that tomorrow is gonna be a day. The next day after that is gonna be a day. And you have to be very smart with what you do. So now I know a lot of people are gonna be out Black Friday shopping, right? So what I did is strategically come out to the mall that's nearby my house, and I'm going to plant these signs right here. As you can see, these signs are pretty straightforward and to the point. It says junk removal, $85. And then I got my telephone number right there. Very strategic signs. These signs are very strategic. It's a call of action. It's a call to action, I meant to say. So I let them know that the price is starting at $85 and we offer junk removal services. Here's my telephone number. Now, I don't leave my company name just for safety reasons. I see a lot of guys out here that's actually been biting my style because I haven't seen any junk removal signs when I first did it. Now in my area I see a bunch, but it's cool. Hey, there's enough money out here for everybody. So some guys put the name of their companies, but I don't do that. So yeah, so essentially what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plant these around by the mall. I'm gonna go to Best Buy, plant these. Pretty much anywhere there's gonna be a bunch of people out shopping, I'm putting my signs down, man. And they may not need my services that day or the next day, but you'll be surprised, man, how many people see my signs and it was like they'll just keep it for, you know, the next month. Like I actually had people call me for quotes because they want to get their house cleaned out for Christmas, you know, which is next month, you know. So man, or you know, some people just want to make sure that everything is clean for New Year. So you just never really know when people are going to call you. But you just want to make sure that you are king marketer. That's really what it's about. It's about marketing, right? Not so much about sales as some people think. You want to be an excellent marketer and you want to be an excellent closer. Not so much sales, man. People be thinking like you have to persuade somebody or trick somebody to taking your services. And that's not how it is, man, out here, man. You want to try to find a need. You want to try to find people that actually want your services and make sure you market to those specific people. And then you simply, once you have them, you know, once they show interest, you close the deal. You tell them what your prices are. You be cool, you be kind, you be cordial. And that's pretty much how it goes. So I'm going to start planting these signs out. You guys have a happy Thanksgiving. I don't think I'm going to record any more of today. It's pretty simple what I'm going to start doing here. But yeah, man, you guys be good, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.